In 2025, something unbelievable happened. Developers, designers, marketers, social media handlers, all the roles companies have relied on for decades have been replaced with AI. And I saw it firsthand. I stopped hiring developers, designers, marketers because AI is doing much faster, better, and cheaper without holidays, leaves, and errors. This isn't the future, it's happening right now. Every decade brings a revolution. When the internet exploded, websites and desktop applications ruled the market. Then came the mobile phones, smartphones, and mobile apps have created billion-dollar industries. Now it's time for AI. This isn't another trend. It's the biggest transformation in human history. AI doesn't change the industries, it changes how the world works. Companies have realized that they don't need big teams anymore. One founder, a co-founder with the right AI tools can now do what used to take with 50 people. That's why you see startups are scaling faster nowadays, because AI has become their workforce. Earlier, I used to have a team. Now I have a system. AI is giving me the better designs. It is giving me the code faster, better, and I don't need testers also. Just for load testing, I need one or two employees to test the load balancing, and rest all the things AI is doing. And this is not about me. It is about you understanding where the world is moving. If you are a graphic designer, UI designer, a developer, front-end developer or back-end developer, you have to understand this. The traditional job you were trained for is no longer enough. AI has already doing your task. But what AI can't do is think like a creator. And that's where the real opportunity is. And that's where you have to focus more. We need new product creators who can design, develop, deploy, and automate the entire process. We need people who can connect AI tools, APIs, workflows, and systems. If you can understand the problems and find solutions and automate them with AI, then you will never be out of work. In 2025, the safest career option isn't just coding, designing, or marketing. It's like, combining all these three using AI and automate them. People have asked me questions like which course to choose, which college to join. But do we have any teacher better than AI who gives us with real world examples and global exposure? Of course, there are great mentors out there, but you cannot find them in classrooms. You can find them in companies or any research places, but not in the classrooms. If you are going to college, go just for connections, not for degrees. IITs, IIMs may still help us to connect future investors, but don't just rely on the education systems that haven't changed in last 20 years. So what you should do now, I'll tell you. Learn AI tools, build automations, create some projects. Don't just learn to work with AI. Learn to make AI work for you. Every company in the industry now need builders, not just workers. They need people who can build AI systems that never sleep. You know what? The next generation of successful people won't have job titles. They'll have product. You might be still wondering how AI can replace humans. I'll give you a simple example. Just take a laptop and consider it as a master and install a cursor kind of application in that laptop and give all master prompts to it. And then take few more laptops, consider them as slaves. One laptop might be a tester, one laptop might be a front-end developer, one laptop might be a back-end developer. And what this master does is it gives prompts to all these slaves. Once these slaves have done their work, they'll submit their work to this master. Again, it verifies, validates, again reassigns those tasks to the slaves. This is the simple example that AI can replaces the complete workforce, and those who build such systems can lead, secure the jobs, and they will have good opportunities in the current market. AI didn't just replace the jobs, it has redefined what a career means. Now the AI belongs to builders, creators, and problem solvers. So stop chasing certificates and start building something real which is meaningful.